In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make $50 to $100 in your spare time, right? Doing simple and easy tasks. So basically, side gigs, doing simple and easy tasks. If this is your first time on the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video as well, because on this channel I do everything. I cover money making strategies and how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe and let's get on with the video. So basically, Sprout Gigs is like every other micro worker platform. You can post jobs and you can also complete jobs that have been posted already. It's similar to Fiverr, but we'll cover that in a different video. As for today, we're just going to cover what exactly Sprout Gigs offers. So basically, as you can see here, there are different jobs that have already been posted, and as I explained earlier, it's just like Fiverr, but this is not where we're interested in. Here you see different jobs, and if you go under the category as well, you see so many different things that you can do, but this is not why we're here. We're here to do simple jobs, right, to make good money. So basically, what you're going to do is you want to sign up, right? As soon as you sign up, fill out your details and then click I'm a worker. Click I agree to Sprout Gig terms, and then if you do not want them to send in news, you can also unclick this I really don't want this, and then you sign up. Don't forget to select your country and use your actual name, because they'll do verification through their database and stuff like that. And then once you sign up, after you do that, you verify your email and then you'll be brought to this page. Now this is what you're going to do. You're going to head on over to micro jobs, all right, and then you click on find jobs. That is where, because as I explained earlier, you can also it works like Fiverr and shit like that. So basically, we don't want to do that. We want to just do small mini outtakes on our spare time, just to make money on the side. I'm going to cover this website extensively in my future videos, just to throw more light and show you why it's actually very good. But regardless, let's carry on. So here are some of the rules. Do not use VPN proxy to max your IP address. Do not open or create multiple accounts. Do not use the same computer or phone as other side gigs, Sprout Gigs accounts. Do not create many accounts, same IP or public Wi-Fi. So just read through all of it and then know what you're doing. And then you're also advised to do your work carefully and make sure to focus on achieving 100% satisfied rating. Once you read all of that, any of these violations will lead to a ban, loss of all your earnings, according to your accounts or future accounts you create to be banned. So I agree. Most of the times, the problem people have with these money making websites is that it doesn't work in their country. But I can assure you that this works all over. This person latest completed tax, this person just earned 3 cents, and then total earnings is $648. And this person is in Nigeria. Ugochi, recognize that name for sure. This person is Nigerian as well. This I think is Brazil. This is China. This is Yemdam, Nigeria as well, from the north probably. This is $44 in total earnings, and it keeps on refreshing, showing you how much people are making. This person has made total of $1,000 in this whole total earning, and then this person keeps on making it. And the reason why this is a very good website is because you can withdraw with any method. You can use PayPal and you can use Bitcoin, Litecoin, whatever it is. As you can see, this person PayPal, Litecoin, and so many people are withdrawing with their Litecoin because it's way easier to do that, and it's more convenient as well. As you can see, all these other people, they're making money. So why it was stopping you? Just use the link in the description and start working on Sprout Gigs today and make as much money as you can see as most of these people here. $210 just on the side. You can imagine how easy that is. So do this, and use my link in the description. And now we have option to do multiple things. As you can see here, we have new offer, we have download an article PDF. That one is $1. This one is SEO plus promotes content. This one is same thing. Easy offer, watch video plus comment. Simple offer, like my profile picture. so many different things, and then different prices as well. But here's what we're interested in. We're going to go to job category, right? And then we'll scroll, and you can see that you can do multiple different things. So take for instance, I select mobile applications, iPhone and Android. Apply. So here you see one says work app install plus sign up, easy job. So it says Sweetcoin download plus install plus sign up, $0.2, $0.1, uhive download, wild cash, uhive, CSI, and the list goes on. So once you do all these things, 0.1, just like that, and your balance will will continue to increase. There's so many jobs you can do, so it really doesn't run out. But one thing you should note is that the jobs availability is mostly based on, it's usually based on like your location and stuff. So depending on where you are in the world, that affects the job you get. But regardless, there's always jobs to be completed. So hop on this as soon as possible. Link will be in the description. Forgot to mention that earlier. Link will be in the description. Sign up and start making money on the side today. So take advantage of this offer. There are so many offers that you can do. Take advantage of it. If there's any questions with regards to this website or whatever I talked about in this video, leave it in the comment section. You can always text me as well. My number is in the description, and I'll answer you as soon as possible. It's usually very fast. That's about it for this video. If you haven't liked, please do subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.